want from me. I just wanna back it up on beat. Say your name in key. I've been waiting on it all week. So tell me where you wanted me to be. Yeah.
Freeze. At your back, the way I like it. Can't deny. Your body bang like dynamite.
Are you coming?
Okay. Welcome back, everybody, to Daytime Live.
Me they are fast. I fast.
They are all up in a razor business.
I'm not.
Mind you get cut.
No, Razor. Hold on, Razor. You say you. Where you from?
I'm from Tanzania originally.
You're from Tanzania?
Tanzania.
And you grew up in Westmoreland?
Yeah.
Do you speak the language at all?
I speak small amounts of Swahili.
Like
and
what?
I can.
So
like Jambo Habarigani, it's like
Me too, yeah.
right. that part.
Crazy.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So if you're watching from home or you want to be here in person, come on down to TVJ on Tuesdays and Fridays. The doors open at 12:15, and the seating starts at 12:30 sharp. So do not be late. Don't be late.
Yeah, listen, you can follow us on social media, Instagram, X, Threads, or TVJ Daytime Live. That's where you search for us on Facebook, and it's TVJ Daytime Live. I don't know what I talk so. Now, if you missed an episode, you can catch up on onespotmedia.com or on YouTube. Just search for Daytime Live TVJ. You know what they should do?
What's that?
If it is they don't make it today, make it Friday.
True.
Because Friday will be the first show for the
new year. That's true.
So just come hold our vibes with the Friday. It's absolutely free. Just make sure you get here by 12:15.
That's why we got an audience now, right, guys? Woo! There we go. There we go.
Watch out.
Watch out. No, they're on TV. Say it again. Woo!
You can't hear that.
Watch it.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So we're wrapping up 2025, and it's time for a special edition of The Buzz because we're recapping some of the year's biggest viral stories, joined by digital creator himself.
Yeah, him so forward.
Lottie Berry. Lottie Berry is here to count down some of those moments.
Yeah. So I think we can kick it off.
We can kick it off now? All right. So let's go. Let's give it up.
Hold on a second. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise and welcome to Daytime Live, Lottie Berry. Yeah.
What's up, Jesus? Nice to see you. Yeah. Bless.
I
was frightened. We're frightened.
You think they say Wagwan burritos? Cover or something?
All right.
My word, my sentence, my paragraph, something.
You're the man walk out like a person of interest. All right, so we're gonna recap some of the viral moments.
Yeah.
We have a list of 10. So there may be more we can talk about those, but let's go through our 10. So at number 10, the Child Protection and Family Services Agency, that is, they removed the children of popular TikToker June Dixon, otherwise known as Rosalie, as part of an ongoing investigation into alleged children abuse. Now, the agency says it stepped in to protect the children, this arising from some remarks she made on her live stream, where she expressed views about causing harm. Now, CFSPCA said it has a legal obligation to ensure the care and protection of children. Now, number 10.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Man, so I study Rosalie. Yeah, man, like last year I was MIA and I was on TikTok. Only for time I study Rosalie, like I know her backstory, I know everything.
Her backstory?
Oh, no, Dufton.
I'm saying, you did. You did. You know, someone come for you.
It's just coincidental.
Right. It's just coincidental. You're wicked. You know what?
No, Dufton, you see what you know? Anyway, but yeah, man, so I find we stop trying to make sense of Rosalie. I think she's just an interesting case study. I think she just, not make sense. She said she got left today, tomorrow she's right, and up and down all over the place. But that moment was definitely huge, and it also, was a good opportunity for the CPFSA to, platform themselves and, to share about, the work that they are doing. So, yeah. Man.
All right, so number 9, Vybz Kartel officially crowned the king of dancehall by the queen herself, Spice, ending Beenie Man's reign as the king of dancehall. The historic moment also marked Kartel's first performance at the festival, that's Reggae Sumfest, in 13 years. I know the king conversation is kind of crazy right now. At the time.
I think even then it was still.
Duffy, what are your king?
Hey! Hey, the Lord and Savior Jesus Christ.
It was very interesting. I heard Craigie T said it when Craigie T was here. Big up yourself, Craigie T. T dot. And he said that you can have several kings. No, an overall king of dancehall, I think, is something that should be audience selected and not necessarily someone say, hey, no, I'm going to crown you king. Because I think before we never had that. We never had we knew Yellow Man was the
officially
king.
crowned? Was Yellow Man officially
Beenie Man
crowned?
crowned himself king and just kind of work himself
Yeah,
into
and
that
people work with it. Like, I not a problem with Vibes Cartel having that title. It was a moment, and the culture was also asking for it too, because there's a new generation now, and they look towards Cartel. So yeah, man, like.
You think it's a euphoria at the moment?
Part of that too.
Probably.
Part of that too, but I think Beenie Man really.
So, number 8, speaking of Vibes Cartel, his long-awaited show, Freedom Street, there was some issues between Popcorn and Chronicler, and they had some issues, and of course it spilled over to the stage where there were some
What was the word
remarks.
What was the remark say?
Man,
You're not getting me out. The remarks towards Scatter. Yeah, the remarks towards Scatter.
Oh yeah, man. Wow, it's actually around them time. It never supposed to keep again.
People were talking
Yeah, man, they
about
plan to say it could possibly happen
Possibly.
this year again,
A year
as
again?
as like a yearly New Year's type
Yeah.
of show. Yeah, man, definitely a big moment. Like I don't know if I could say now, Popcorn, him live up to the name Unruly Boss. Like that's why me other things I might need to go change my name to know, come here and say Jesus Christ, maybe the dirty, me have to go change.
some. You have to live to live.
Yeah. Come here, realize that the people them name really, it follow back.
So
at
you're
them.
not dirty enough, or you're going to just get
No, I think maybe disinfected
Well, I'm not
something.
in the dirty yet. Wait till a certain people watch this and see what this.
All right, coming in at number 7, Spice's Oh No School Tour gets Oh No shut down. The Queen of Dancehall cancelled the tour amid backlash from church groups and civil society organizations, saying Spice is not the best person to bring this information.
I have no comment. Last time I opened my mouth, Spice go live on Tonight TV and call out me.
Spice alone, you know.
Yeah.
So right now I have no comment.
All right,
Have
Queen.
yourself,
I
Spice.
think it was significant because it was a case of the message was something that was being accepted, but they had an issue with the messenger.
Yeah, I still agree with everything that I said, because at the end of the day, I do love Spice, but I also know how Spice promotes. And someone said the tour was also a vehicle to promote her album at the time, her album and her song at the time, and then as soon as that was achieved, it would have been moved on. Remember the whole meeting with government officials and the tour could have continued, but by that time the promotion period for the song would have ended.
So here what happened? Spice, Grace, my friend, views expressed by him.
You know, you're wicked.
But it's what I'm comfortable. I'm comfortable. Just choose which one of the D them, not Duffy and Deja and
Dirty Berry.
Wow,
All right, so
okay.
number 6, there was concern, and this flooded social media after Miss Jamaica Universe Dr. Gabriel Henry. She suffered a serious injury or injuries in the competition where she fell off the stage.
No, that did rough. Like initially, heard the story, thought it was just like, I know a regular little drop, like, okay, she go bounce back and she go have this, because in my mind, me did I think I say, okay, she drop now, she can use all the energy here, when she come on the stage, and everybody go, a cheer for her, and then the more we found out about it, that like it was a serious, damage that she got, and so actually I wait for hear her, recover and share her story, and I wouldn't be surprised if she end up suing him.
Well, you haven't. I think that is something that is kind of up in the air because you've been hearing contrasting reports that is she made the mistake versus them and
I heard stories of like other contestants having issues
with
on
the
stage.
Some here. Now we're halfway through number 5 because we want to get through all of them. Now following the passage of Hurricane Melissa and the entertainment fraternity, them stepping up. I think that's the story.
No, man, that was honestly like it was very nice to see, because most of the time I was called upon like government etc. But like we do have stars. Jamaica have stars, big celebrities who are able to use them platform. Of course, man, for the big up Spice, who is one of them who like gave above and beyond. But also saw Shensi there. We're gonna say Romy Shu. This was also a good moment for him to have some redeeming moment in the culture.
Yeah, I think it was brilliantly played by him.
No, man, it was Ramesh is Ramesh.
Yeah.
And so
He Ramesh us.
Yeah, man. yeah. So it was very good, and I'm sure so the people them appreciate it, and it's just like the outpouring. Even you have content creators who jumped up. I supported with Donisha Prendergast with her organization at the Petersfield School, and just so much people, even journalists, like everybody, each one, yourself, you know what I mean?
Yeah, and I was going to say that a wider note, the entire fraternity has stepped and are stepping. So it's ongoing, and we didn't, and I don't think enough attention or recognition is saying, hey, the entertainment, to do it.
All right, number 4, heartbreak for football fans. Jamaica missed out on an automatic qualification for the 2026 World Cup. Many of them are just...
No, terribly, I'm just something a scoreless. Scoreless.
Let me tell you.
Unanimously.
I have one vote. Take off the name Reggae Boys and just call them them.
But
wow.
Tell them really.
Queen I shirt?
Yeah, no, shirt. Yeah, no. I the only shirt to have clean. I the only shirt to have clean.
Never another shirt, Bobby?
I said take off the name Reggae Boys and give it to the Icelanders.
Yeah. Oh, the bobsleigh team.
Yeah.
And just call the football team them.
Yeah.
So when them lose,
them.
No, man, it was a rough moment, man. It was a really rough moment. Right now, I think we couldn't even recover from it. Yeah.
Number 3. Influencer Giselle Simmons and ex-boyfriend Chad. Giselle and Chad. Let's put it right there.
Scroll over.
Yeah, man.
You did. If you want to know, he's up in. Just go over to his social media page, which is Dirty Berry.
Yeah, man, I did.
I'm do a full. You do a full.
Yeah, man, I talk about everything, but all I forgot to say, good video by Giselle. Chad. I think I said Chad must be an influencer. I think he should just be a villain, and I think he's enjoying it.
Play the role well.
Right now,
right?
Chad I get beaten left, right, and center.
As a matter of fact, on the Friday, Chad, make your way to Daytime Live.
All right, number 2, a legend bows out. Spring icon Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce announced her retirement from track and field after a decorated, wonderful, iconic career.
Yeah, I can't believe some actually get to witness legends like Usain Bolt and Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, and it kind of crazy, me. I'm like, wait, is she retiring? I remember when we did it from the start.
Yeah, from Bruce and Shelly.
Yeah, man. You remember when she did
Bruce and Shelly, yeah.
Yes, remember when Shelly did come take the spot where Veronica did supposed to people and the whole controversy and say, she come get the gold medal, and we saw so many medals that this lady made. But what me gonna miss the most is just her eloquence when she doing her interviews. Them, like she just has a presence, on and off the track where we're gonna miss.
She has this positive spirit all the time.
Yeah, man.
In the Shelly, the Shelly goes up. Every time. Yeah. All right, number one, I think the most significant one, because it's not just social media, I think it's just for the world and for Jamaica.
I know.
Oblique Seville's gold medal run at the World Championship.
Put respect for me.
No, honestly, we didn't need this. We didn't actually need this moment, and it was just like a big moment for both the athletes, both Kishin and Oblique, who were able to medal in at the final. But for Oblique, because the world leader said, "Well, I am not really." Both of them, we said them now go really step up on the big stage, and this was a defining moment I would definitely never want Noah lives.
Yes,
yeah, man.
I think it was a.
We don't want a humbling moment.
It was a huge moment for Jamaica. It was a huge moment for Oblique himself. Yeah. Because I think this was the moment, like, if you're not do it now.
A defining moment.
Right. Yeah. Because Kishin, I think Kishin, they're going to be a huge rivalry.
Yes.
And of course, anti-Noah. You understand?
Yeah.
So of course, where we can find you on social media?
Oh yeah, check me out on YouTube, Dirty Bear Show. On YouTube and on TikTok, Dirty Bear Show. And of course, Instagram, Dirty Bear Show. Like the same name all over the place. Yeah, man.
Yeah. And just like Rosalie, we'll be back at this time live.
You are! You're not going to make you spend 40 days and 40 nights for me,
It's over!
Listen.
So